If you're seeing me for the first time, hello, I'm Frida. I talk about all things skincare, all things lifestyle, products, reviews, and so much more. If you're my OG, my real MVP, my subscriber, thank you so much for being so consistent, for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, for sharing this channel. I love you so much. May God continue to bless you. So guys, today I feel very down. I'm telling you, I feel so sick, but I said no, my YouTube, I must definitely come through for you guys. So pardon my appearance, pardon my everything. This, I'm usually more energetic than this, but please just take me as I am. Please, I feel so down, but this video needed to come up. All right, so today I'll be talking about how to get rid of your body spots. If you have body acne, how to get rid of it, how to get rid of your mosquito bite marks, how to get rid of scars, dark scars on your body, how to get rid of this water skin. In secondary school then we call it water skin. I really don't know what it's called now, but you easily react any small thing and then these black dots on your body. You don't need to carry those scars around, darling. Come closer. You can actually get rid of it, and you can get rid of it right. So I'll be talking about this bad boy here, this product, this hydroquinone tube. Yes, don't run, please don't run. Hydroquinone is not entirely bad. If you use it right, you would like it. Now we're talking about spot corrections. I'm not saying that you should use this tube and rub on your body, like massage it on your body. Hell no, please no. I am talking about on the spot corrections. Exactly, you are meant to apply this product on your spots. The first things first I'm going to tell you about using this product is this: get a good brightening soap. One product cannot do everything for you. At least let some things back it up. Get a good brightening soap to use with these products. Just brighten your skin in general. Now, not about your spots or anything. We get a good brightening soap that exfoliates too. If you cannot get a soap that exfoliates but it's a brightening soap, that works. Then you get a scrub for exfoliation. Make sure you exfoliate your skin well. Yes, on the days that you want to use this hydroquinone tube on your spots, make sure that those days you exfoliate. Guys, I am not talking about your face, I am talking about your body. Please, we'll get to dark spots on the face in a soon or later video, but now this video is for people that have spots on their body. Okay, you exfoliate properly, you scrub your skin properly. After bathing, you rinse off your body, then you take this product, tiny bits, please, just tiny bits of it on those spots. You just put them on the spots, on the spots, on the spots. You can just rub it in, not just you just carry the product and just bang, nibo. You hold it just a bit, massage it in on the spots. I didn't say, let's just say you have like 10 spots on this side of your arm. Because you don't have strength, you carry this product and just do like this. I beg you, I wash my hand though, I'm not inside. Please, anything where you see, you collect, man no day. Carry this product on the spot, massage it in, on the spot, massage it in. That is why it's something that you have to take your time for. And mind you, it is not an everyday thing. Yes, you're not to use this product every day. No, please don't use this product every day. Use it 3 times a week. Same as when you scrub your body. When you scrub your body, you're meant to scrub your body 3 times a week. Use this product 3 times a week on the spot treatment. And for during the day, this is very essential. For during the day, please make sure that those parts of your body, if you're going out the next day after doing that, at night, god, please do rub this product on the spot at night. Don't use it during the day. At night, after bathing, after exfoliating your skin, carry it and rub on the spot. Yes, rub on the spot. You can rub all your body cream. Yes, you can apply your body cream, then you now focus on those spots with these products. It does not necessarily need to come first. If it's about doing the work, it will get the job done. So you can rub your body cream. If you rub body cream at night, then you apply the product on the spot at night, and the next day afterwards, please make sure that if it's your hands or your legs, and maybe you are not going to be wearing a long sleeve clothes that day, or you're not going to be wearing a jean trouser or a trouser that covers your leg, I beg you, kindly carry your sunscreen and rub on those places. If it's the hand, you rub 2 dots of that thing, just rub on that place, just that place that's going to be exposed just a bit. It does not necessarily need to be your whole body, just around the area to which you applied this hydroquinone tube. Hydroquinone is not bad. You are not just using it right, and certain times some products carry too much hydroquinone in them and contain mercury, which is bad for the skin. But if you use hydroquinone right, it's good. And another caution that you have to note, these are the cautions: use this product at night, make sure you wear your sunscreen, do not apply this product in a large like skin surface area. On the spot treatment, another thing you have to note, which is super essential, is that this product is to be used 3 times a week, and then after 3 months stop using it. Yes, you heard me right. For hyperpigmentations on the body spots, body scars, whatever it is, stop using it. It must have improved by then. Now get products that will help to just continue to maintain this result and stuff like that. You can just incorporate a good scrub, something maybe containing retinol, alpha butene, maybe your soap or something for those 3 days. Maybe after exfoliating, you can decide to use like something like the Kojisan soap. Yes, you can use the Kojisan soap after bathing those 3 days. Once you have stopped your hydroquinone tube, after 3 months you discontinue, and then maybe you could continue like after 6 months to a year. All right, give your skin time. Don't use it back to back. It will damage your skin. It will damage that skin there. So with sense, you can use hydroquinone. If you use hydroquinone carelessly, it will carelessly spoil your skin. So you have to use it with caution. I hope this video helped, and I hope you're going to use it on your skin. You can use it on your mosquito bites, acne, scars. For your body, please, for your body, not your face. I will talk about how to clear dark spots on your face in later videos. Just subscribe to this channel so that you would be informed when I do so. But this video is for body scars, dark spots on the body, mosquito bites on the body, stubborn body scars that have refused to go. This video is for that. So if you've used this tube, let me know, how was it on your skin? Did you use it right? Yes, and if you didn't use it right, take corrections and you can then use it again. All right, so let me know if you'll be using this product, and what you think about it with time. Drop your reviews, guys. Comment on this video. I'll be waiting for your comment. I love you so much. Thank you. If you've gotten to this side of the video, I love you so much.